Have you ever wondered how massive machines can complete exhausting tasks so quickly and efficiently? Join us as we explore the most innovative and incredible machinery found in factories around the world. From sophisticated production lines to high-tech equipment, you'll be amazed by their precision and ingenuity. Watch the entire video so you don't miss these incredibly satisfying moments. Ever wondered how discarded scrap metal gets a second life? No waste, no landfill, just high-tech recycling turning old metal into strong, reusable steel bars. Steel melts down completely, separating pure metal from impurities. This is where old waste transforms into valuable raw material. Once cast, these red-hot billets are cooled and ready for the rolling process, where they'll be stretched and shaped into usable steel bars. Ever wondered how intricate designs are engraved on gold rings with such perfection? No hand carving, no errors, just pure precision with cutting-edge laser technology. Using ultra-precise laser engraving, this machine etches delicate patterns and inscriptions with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring every detail is immaculate. Every stroke is perfect, with no rough edges, ensuring a luxurious finish worthy of fine jewelry craftsmanship. Impressed by this breathtaking process? Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes looks at luxury craftsmanship. Ever wondered how steel rods and bars are bent with perfect precision for construction and engineering? No manual effort, no errors, just the power of automation at work. With high-precision hydraulic controls, this machine applies extreme force, bending solid steel into exact angles and shapes with unmatched accuracy. From simple 90-degree bends to complex spiral formations, every shape is crafted with millimeter-level precision. With automated bending, steel processing becomes faster, safer, and more efficient. Ever wondered how a single machine can shape, engrave, and drill metal with absolute precision? No manual adjustments, no errors, just pure CNC automation at work. Unlike traditional etching, CNC engraving ensures durability, making every marking resistant to wear and corrosion. Perfectly spaced, flawlessly aligned. This high-speed drill ensures each hole is identical in size and depth, ready for assembly. From raw material to a fully machined, engraved, and drilled masterpiece, this is the power of modern CNC automation. Ever wondered how walls are transformed from rough, uneven surfaces to perfectly smooth finishes? No manual trowels, no uneven texture, just the power of automation at its finest. This machine is designed to apply uniform layers of plaster with incredible speed and precision, ensuring your walls are perfectly smooth every time. Ever wondered how construction teams make perfect round cuts in concrete with such ease? No chisels, no hammering, just the power of a high-tech automated cutting machine. This specialized machine is designed to cut through even the toughest surfaces, precisely shaping concrete into perfect circles with adjustable sizes. With unmatched precision, the rotating blade slices through hard concrete, creating clean, sharp edges with no cracks or chips. Impressed by this powerful cutting process? Stay tuned for more innovative construction tools and technologies. Ever wondered how large, stubborn trees can be removed quickly and efficiently without breaking a sweat? No back-breaking digging, no uprooting by hand, just the power of advanced machinery at work. This specialized machine is designed to dig around the roots and pull up trees of all sizes with minimal effort, all while keeping the surrounding land intact. Ever wondered how gardeners keep their beds weed-free without hours of tedious labor? No bending, no pulling, just the power of a high-tech weeding machine doing all the hard work. This advanced machine uses precision weeding technology to target and remove weeds, leaving your plants and flowers untouched and thriving. You've just witnessed some of the most brilliant machines and high-tech tools. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to join us for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.